Casement window replacement can greatly affect the efficiency of your home. Casement windows, or crank-out windows as they're typically known, have kind of gotten a bad rap over the last 20 years or so. The original casement windows were drafty. A lot of them had wood frames that would rot. The cranks would rust, and so everybody hated crank-out windows. As with most technology over the 20 years, things have improved greatly. Casement windows are the most efficient windows because as you crank them in and you lock the window, it actually pulls that window sash tight to the weather stripping. So it's sealing up that window a lot better than, say, a double hung or a slider that has a big seam there where the two sashes come together. Things with casement windows, you want to make sure that you have stainless steel hardware so that it doesn't rust, that some of the attachment points of the hardware are into some other material than wood, or the wood is so protected at that point that it would never get any moisture to it. So when you look at replacing windows because of efficiency, the casements are going to be at the top of the list as far as the most efficient windows that you can put in your home.